Hello and welcome to ESL Explorers, where we're all about unlocking your language skills. I'm Glenn, your host, and today we're diving into the exciting world of learning English as a second language. So you want to be a language pro, break those language barriers and connect with people worldwide and impress your friends with your language skills? Well, you're in luck. And make sure to stay until the end where I share a little anecdote between me and a student. Let's get into it. Imagine yourself chatting with locals on a sunny beach. Sounds cool, right? Well, setting goals can help you get there. For example, set a goal to hold a basic conversation with a native speaker within 3 months. A little extra tip. If you have a long-term goal, like being bilingual or working in English, then make sure to set little goals along the way. The little victories will help you stay motivated and working towards your dream goal. And this actually works for other things too, not just languages. Listen to music, watch movies, and change your phone's language. For instance, listen to your favorite songs in the language you're learning and try to sing along. Subtitles in movies can be helpful to learn new vocabulary and to understand difficult accents, but don't rely on it too much. We don't have subtitles in real life. Practice every day, even if it's just a little bit. You could set aside 15 minutes every day to review vocabulary or practice speaking with a language partner. Language learning apps are like having a language coach in your pocket. Apps like Duolingo or Babbel offer interactive lessons and quizzes to help you learn on the go. But remember, these are tools to help. Nothing beats speaking to native speakers. I advise to use these apps as part of your consistency goal. 15 minutes a day to help practice some grammar or to learn some vocab. Don't spend 3 hours a day on these apps. Doing the exercises doesn't mean that you're absorbing the information effectively. Connecting with others can make learning more fun. Join online language exchange platforms or local language exchanges to find partners to practice with. Master those everyday words and phrases. Start with greetings, numbers, and common expressions used in daily conversations. Don't try to learn everything too fast. It's definitely possible to overload your brain. Decide what you need to know, learn it, practice it, and then move on to the next thing. Grammar can be tough, but learn it in real-life situations. Instead of memorizing rules, try to understand grammar through example sentences and conversations. Hey, before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you never miss out. Mistakes are okay. Just keep learning. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, as they are a natural part of the learning process. And sometimes, these little mistakes can lead to hilarious situations. Nothing beats being completely immersed in a language and culture, but be aware this is an expensive way to learn English. So if money is tight, then definitely look for some local language exchange programs. Learning a language should be exciting. Explore topics that interest you, such as cooking, sports, or travel, in the language you're learning. And there you have it, 10 powerful tips to kickstart your language learning journey. Remember, every step you take brings you closer to fluency, so don't give up. My bonus tip: so many people want to be able to learn a language but don't want to have an accent. They want to sound like a native. Don't get stressed or be too hard on yourself if you still have a little bit of an accent. It can be charming, but working on pronunciation is important because it can help you to avoid some awkward situations. I've been teaching English in France for around 9 years and I've experienced these situations. A student once told me that she likes cock. Yep, cock. I knew exactly what she wanted to say, so I explained the different pronunciations of cock and coke and made sure she understood exactly what they were. She was very shocked at what she said and then looked me straight in the eye and said, "But I do like cock." If you found these tips helpful and want more language learning adventures, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Thanks for joining me, and until next time, keep learning and keep growing.